Well, it's time for a Costco shop. Let's head on in. So I don't want to brag, but I can play the piano even while I'm recording videos. So I hope you enjoy my little talent as I play here for you for a moment. Okay, we'll continue on shopping. So as I walk through, I love ice cream. And I do love Ninja. So if you're thinking about getting something as a gift for yourself or for your family and like make ice cream, check this out. $179.99. It's the Ninja Cream Deluxe. That looks so good. So I stopped by Trader Joe's to see how much their pineapple was and how big it was. And as you can see here, it was $2.99 and it was small. Look at this. We got $2.89 and look how big that is. So if you're thinking about getting pineapple, this is the way to go because this size is a lot more for the money. So if you're looking for cauliflower, this is a great option. This is the organic riced cauliflower, $7.99 for a bag. Put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and it's a great addition to. So I'm glad these are back in stock. These are the superfood nut butter bars. I love these to start my day. They are $16.69. If you are in Costco and you see these, pick them up. They're so good. They've got 0 grams of added sugar, 8 grams of plant protein, 7 grams of fiber. They're gluten-free, no dairy or soy, and no sugar alcohols. Love them. They're great, and I definitely give it a thumbs up. My last product I'm picking up on this shopping trip is the Kale Digestive Daily Probiotic. I've taken this for a while and it's worked really well for me. So if you're looking for a probiotic, I would definitely check it out. It is $30.99. I'll share a link to my review on it, but it has definitely helped my stomach and I've got a sensitive one. Well, that concludes my shopping spree. I always feel like I've come out as a winner when I only have 3 items to come to Costco. So hope you enjoyed the short video, but we'll have more to come.